Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the McKee's Tire Rubber Rejuvenator. This is the new formula. You can see I've gone through the entire bottle pretty much, so I just have a little bit left. So I took the wheels off the Camaro because I'm actually polishing them and recoating them. And so I took, it's pretty loud out here today, so I figured this would be a good opportunity to go ahead and just showcase this product here. I've used it before. I've used the previous formula and it worked out. This actually does do a good job cleaning tires and do a good job deep cleaning the tires. So I just want to give you a quick demo here on how this works. We're going to clean the inner portion of the tire. The outside's already clean because I had cleaned it during the wash process. I have some iron removers soaking on the tire here, some Meguiar's D1801. So we're going to take a look at the Tire Rubber Rejuvenator. First things first, I'm going to give it a good shake here. Just spray it on the tire, and I believe the only difference between this and the previous formula is they toned down the scent because some people didn't like the scent, and I never had a problem with it. And so we'll see how this works. I'm going to use the Tough Shine tire brush here. And then all you're going to do is scrub it. So I'm kind of just sprayed it on here. I'll bring it in close here. And it's kind of hard to tell that it's not turning brown, but I mean, you could see it starting to do something. So I'm just going to go ahead and scrub this. I'll put this back on my head here so I can have both hands free. And it's starting to turn brown. So I like using this product first dry, so I can get the full impact of the chemical. Because once you start using water and introducing water, you're gonna take away from the product's performance. I'm going to scrub it one more time. Like I said, we're just agitating the products into the rubber. And if you're using the McKee's tire coating, this is a good product to use. Prior to, for all that prep work here. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. And before I rinse all that stuff off, I'm actually going to take this brush that I had and I'm just going to agitate the iron remover because I'm going to rinse everything off at the moment. These wheels don't have too much iron in here. So you want to give your wheels a deep clean if you're gonna take them off and coat them. I'll have a full video on the coating I'm going to be using here. Put these back on here to hold the wheels steady. Put that down for a second. I'm going to adjust the camera because it's slipping off my head here. And we're going to just rinse this off. You can see the tires looks brown here. So we're going to take another spray of this. Again, now that the surface is wet, I'm going to dilute the product a bit. That's why I did all that work up front, undiluted. Let me rinse my brush here. So when you start seeing white suds, your tire's clean. So these tires are clean after, what, this is the 4th scrub on there? And so let me just go ahead and rinse this out. And just to be as a sanity check, so let me rinse this off. It's okay if it gets on your wheels, just rinse it off. As a sanity check, just add a little bit more, and then this is going to be the last sanity scrub. And so I really wanted just doing this just to see if they're actually clean. And so you can see that the white suds means that the tires are clean. And so I've removed all that heavy dirt and grime that's built up, and it's now ready for a tire dressing or a tire coating. Since I'm going to be coating the wheels, what I've been doing is I've been coating the inner portion of the wheels with the McKee's tire coating, and then I guess just so the inside of the tires stay cleaner longer. I don't know if you guys do that when you guys take off your wheels and tires. For those of you who are super OCD, I know you guys probably do that, where you actually dress and coat the inner portion of the tire. So that's what I'm doing. And just so as a sanity check, I'll rotate this. I'll put it between my little things here. I keep moving and moving and moving. I could go ahead and check and see if my front tire is pretty clean, which it should be because I cleaned them not too long ago. Yeah. So you can see that the fronts are clean. You get the white suds, and pretty straightforward. So I mean, this stuff, I used the original formula. This is the newest formula. I noticed no difference in the performance from the older formula. Still good. Still deep cleans the tires really well. So if you're looking for a tire cleaner that does a deep clean in preparation for maybe if you're going to be doing a tire coating, this is one to consider because it does a real good job. It tells you here, deep cleans tires, removes browning, acid-free formula. I didn't even look at the back here. It says McKee's 37 Tire Rubber Rejuvenator is a heavy-duty tire cleaner, heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser that safely removes browning, silicone tire dressings, dirt, and grime from tires, leaving them clean and ready to be protected with McKee's gloss tire gel or tire coating. Strong yet gentle formula deep cleans tires without removing the natural rubber conditioners that keep the tire flexible. This powerful formula can also be used to remove old wax stains on exterior plastic and rubber trim, which I didn't know you could do that, but that's actually pretty cool. It says ensure the surface is cool to the touch, spray directly onto the dried tire and allow it to dwell for 30 seconds. Scrub using a stiff bristle brush, wet bristles often. Thoroughly clean the tire until all browning is removed. Tires are completely clean when white foam is produced. As you scrub, thoroughly rinse wheels and tires. So there you go. Pretty straightforward. I should have read you the stuff first before using it, but now you have an idea of how to use this product. Very simple. I didn't know you could use it on plastic trim and remove wax residue or anything like that. So again, thanks for watching. That's the McKee's 37 Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator. Wow, I said that 10 times fast. Still a good product. And again, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.